Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Glad to have you here once again. Today, we're diving into something powerful, iconic, and absolutely fascinating, the AH-64 Apache attack helicopter. And as we look ahead to 2026, this beast of the skies is still one of the most advanced and respected helicopters in the world. Originally developed in the 1970s and entering service in the mid-1980s, the Apache has evolved dramatically over the years. By 2026, we're seeing even more enhancements to its already legendary capabilities. From avionics to weapons systems, the AH-64 continues to push the limits of what attack helicopters can do on the modern battlefield. Let's start with its design. The AH-64 still maintains its twin-engine layout, tandem cockpit, and signature 4-blade main rotor. It's built for durability and survivability, able to take off and still fly home. The fuselage is armored, the cockpit is protected by bulletproof glass, and the rotor blades are designed to survive small arms fire. What really makes the Apache fearsome is its advanced weapons and targeting system. Equipped with a 30mm M230 chain gun, Hellfire missiles, and Hydra 70 rockets, it delivers precision and power. In recent years, integration with new guided rocket systems and even air-to-air missiles have expanded its threat profile even further. In 2026, the latest AH-64 Guardian variant is leading the way. It comes with improved engines for more power and range, upgraded sensors like the Longbow radar for better target detection, and full digital networking for real-time communication with other units on the ground and in the air. That means the Apache isn't just a hunter, it's a node in a larger combat system. Another game-changer in the latest versions is the improved man-unmanned teaming capability. Apache pilots can now control drones directly from the cockpit, scouting ahead, finding threats, and even designating targets without putting themselves at risk. This gives the Apache a serious edge in modern combat environments where information and speed matter just as much as firing. Of course, with the rise of AI and autonomous systems, the Apache software is continuously evolving. In 2026, mission planning and threat response are quicker and smarter thanks to better onboard processors and data fusion. The helicopter almost thinks with the pilot, giving them more awareness and faster decision-making in high-pressure situations. Pilots who fly the Apache often describe it as an extension of themselves. It's responsive, aggressive, and highly capable in both day and night operations. With infrared sensors, night vision systems, and laser designators, the Apache owns the battlefield even after sunset. Even after decades of service, the AH-64 remains a backbone of many militaries around the world. From the United States to allies in Europe, Asia, and the Middle East, it continues to prove its worth in real combat scenarios. It's not just a helicopter, it's a symbol of power, precision, and dominance in the air. Thanks for watching and being part of this journey. Let me know what you think about the Apache in the comments. Would you want to see one up close? Or maybe learn more about other modern aircraft? Don't forget to like,